The MobIR Air thermal imaging camera is a revolutionary accessory that turns your ordinary smartphone into a sophisticated thermal camera. By seamlessly connecting to your iPhone or Android device, MobIR Air empowers users to visualize and analyze thermal data, making it a versatile tool for various applications, from HVAC troubleshooting to building diagnostics and electrical fault detection. The MobIR Air is designed to effortlessly transform your smartphone into a powerful thermal imaging tool, expanding your capabilities beyond the visible spectrum and enabling you to see the world in a new light. Quickly and accurately identify HVAC issues with MobIR Air. Whether it's detecting heat leaks, insulation gaps, or airflow irregularities, this thermal imaging camera aids HVAC professionals in diagnosing and resolving problems efficiently. MobIR Air is a valuable tool for building inspections. It allows users to detect structural issues, moisture problems, and insulation deficiencies, providing a comprehensive view of the building's thermal performance. This aids in effective and safe troubleshooting. Detect electrical faults with precision using MobIR Air. Uncover hidden electrical issues such as overheating components, loose connections, or faulty wiring, preventing potential hazards and ensuring the safety of electrical systems. Connect MobIR Air to your smartphone using the provided interface, ensuring a secure and stable connection. Point MobIR Air towards the target area and capture thermal data in real time. The camera's sensitivity and accuracy provide detailed insights into temperature variations,